Choma.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Where are you going to?
I'm going to see my friend.
Okay, I'm going to the street.
Okay now.
Alright.
Take care.
Bye-bye. Hey, greet your sister for me.
I will.
Bye-bye.
You're welcome, my dear.
Where is Adama?
I think she should be inside. Let me call her for you.
Okay.
Adama! Adaneya! Ekeme, your friend is here. You are here already?
Yes.
Okay, let me get my water pot.
Okay, be fast. Mama, should I help you?
Mama, we are off to the stream.
Yes. So bad. But, Nne, please try and come back early. You know the road is not good. That's my daughter.
Take care.
You have strength, that's why I carry the big one. You can allow you for. Hey, me I don't have strength, that's why I carry the small one.
Thanks for coming. I really appreciate it. I enjoyed your company. You're welcome.
So when am I seeing you again?
See what? I'm not coming, no. I'm not coming to your house.
And you Subego? Are we quarreling?
Yes.
Why? Because
How many times have you been to my house? Eh? Ada, this thing you're doing is not fair.
that. Oh, don't worry. It's my turn to come to your house now. I'm next. Yes, we are coming together.
Sure?
Yes.
So bad. Hey, that reminds me. I made beautiful beats for both of you, and I believe you're going to love it.
Hey, I actually do want to cook beats. Hey, thank you. I'm going to wear them. Wear them and dance very well. Thank you. Mama, follow her and bring them. I can't wait to wet them.
Sister, if I go, you give me one.
I will give you now. You know me very well.
Come, let's go.
Only big and small ones.
All right, no problem. One, bye-bye. Oh.
Bye-bye. Oh, it's a good man. Hey, I can't wait to rock those beats.
Adako. Yema.
Oh, give me.
Yeah.
What is it?
Who is that girl? What's her name?
What do you want to know her name?
Adako, are you challenging me? Come on, come and face up.
Her name is Oli.
Okay, Bia.
Greetings, my prince.
Greetings, my prince.
My prince.
Odara, how are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, how have you been? Yeah, how about your sister?
She's fine. She's at home.
Nandewo. Yeah, please do send my greetings to her, okay?
Alright, I will.
I'm actually going to Oma's house. So I'll see you soon. Huh?
Not even tell me I'm entering 5 bush.
Brother Odinaka, I noticed the way you were just looking at Oledo. It's like you like her a lot.
Odala Oma, you're a sport child. How did you see that?
Hey now, I saw you.
But the truth is, ever since that day she came to this house, I have never been myself. Mangonaria, Acha, I'm
Then talk to Adaku. Let her talk to her friend Oledo. They are best of friends. Let her talk to her for you.
I think that is what I will do. I love her. I will not deny it. She's very beautiful. But yeah, go, I'll do that later, eh?
Ojuku, my prince. That maiden we saw yesterday, what's her name?
My prince, which of them?
The tall, pretty, dark maiden. Do you know where she lives?
Oh, my prince, I don't really know where she lives.
All right.
Let me tell you something. Listen very well. I am not joking. I'm very, very serious.
What is it?
My brother is in love with you.
Your brother?
Yes, sir. He is very serious. Even me too, I am surprised. My brother is so in love with you that he can't even concentrate anymore.
Hey. Since when, Kwan?
Calm down. It's Obi. I know my brother very well. I have never seen him feel this way before.
At all?
If you love, hey, he's so mad about you, eh?
Hey, mad.
You didn't notice the way he was looking at you at that time. He was looking at you when you were going away.
It's a bad deal.
Yes, so my brother is in love with you.
So who told you about love?
Hey.
She knows my brother very well now.
And that don't make me to stop coming to his house.
Please. So you are going to be our wife. Happy fun. Okay. So you'll be our wife. I've told him to take you to the next level. Go and bring food for her later.
Make it warm, oh? No problem.
Makes me nice. But you think about it. You know my brother is handsome.
Ada, leave me alone.
My prince, we are very, very happy for your visit. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, Mama. I have to start leaving now. You know, the journey is quite far, and I wouldn't want my father to start looking for me.
It's okay, my prince. May the gods guide and protect you.
He say...
Okay, my dear. Bye-bye.
My prince, I have to stop here. I want to go back to the house and help my mother with some chores.
Thank you so much, beautiful Adama. And thank you for your kind gestures.
Thank you, my prince.
I will see you again.
With the Adama.
Amaka, how are you?
I'm fine.
Where are you going to?
I want to go and see my friend.
Take care, eh?
Bye-bye.
Mama, I'm back.
Oh, my daughter, you're back.
Yes.
The prince has gone, right?
Yes, mother.
I don't want. Tell me the truth. Do you love Prince Obi?
Yes, Mama. I love him with all my heart. He's my world, my everything.
So, will you like to marry him if he asks?
Yeah. I will gladly say yes. Yes and yes. Mama, you're funny. So where is this Yama? Is she not back from this trip?
My daughter, she's not back. Huh? I don't know what is keeping her astray.
Okay, let's look for what to eat first.
This girl.
She's not around. She went out, but she'll soon be back.
Okay, I'm coming.
Sister, where are you going to?
Onye ajụjụ. Why asịrị? Must you know everything? Anyway, I'm going to see my friend Dikeh. I'll soon be back.
Okay. You just have to be careful.
Sprinkle water, the dust is too much.
Okay. Yes, let me go and bring water.
Are you serious?
I am very serious. He came to our house and my mother welcomed him very, very well.
Chai, that's very good of her.
I'm telling you.
So tell me, when are you going to Amokbara Kingdom to visit him?
Well, I don't know. He has not invited me yet. Though he promised to come and see me again.
That's very good. But Adama, do you love him?
You mean Prince Obi?
Yes.
Yeah. I love him with all my heart. I can't wait to be his wife.
Adama is in love.
You can't get me something to get me a little more.
I forgot. Let me go and get it for you.
Every time I look into your eyes, I just want to stay captivated to your heart. I love everything about you. The beautiful way you smile, the charming way you look at me. I love the time that we spend together. I love you, and I just want to keep loving you.
My prince, am I that precious to you?
Oh, I swear by the gods, you are the most precious thing to me.
I love you.
I love you too.
Are you sure she's going to pass here today? I don't know, my prince. But let us wait a while. A little while. Okay. Now listen to me and listen to me real good. I want you to trace that maiden. I want to know everything about her. Her name, where she stays, everything. Am I understood? Consider it done, my prince. You have just 2 days to give me everything I need to know. Okay, my prince. You may go. Wait. 2 days. Okay, my prince.
Good day. How are you?
I am fine. I hope I'm safe.
Oh, you are very safe. You are very, very safe. See, I'm looking for one beautiful maiden. She is dark in complexion. She has a very nice comb.
Beautiful maiden.
Yes.
Dark in complexion. With a nice curve. What's her name?
Oh, that would be a problem because I don't know her name.
I wouldn't know.
But at least with the curves, you should be able to know the description.
I don't know. I don't know her.
Are you sure?
I'm sure I don't know her.
Are you sure?
I don't know her.
You have not seen anybody like that?
No.
Of that description?
No. Can I go now?
Okay, you can go.
Okay.
Are you sure he's telling me the truth? I think I don't need to go any further. Let me go back to the palace. He thinks he can lie to me. He doesn't know that I'm under pressure. Can you imagine? What is all this?
You again?
I thought you said you don't know her.
I don't understand.
Will you shut up? The maiden you were talking to a few minutes ago.
Ooh, now I remember. I know her very well.
You know her very well. What is her name?
Her name is Adama.
My prince.
Yes.
Her name is Adama.
Adama.
Yes, my prince.
Yes. Were you able to locate her house?
Yes, my prince. I was able to trace where she's living.
Good. Wonderful. Awesome. Prepare. Tomorrow, we'll pay her a visit.
Okay, my prince.
Adama, what do you think you're doing? Why did you throw my mother's clothes on the floor? Adama, I'm talking to you. Or are you deaf? Adama,
Bagala. Are you mad? It is you that is mad. In fact, madness is ripping all over you. Otherwise, you won't be behaving abnormal. Yes, you are mad. Eh, I'm mad.
Yes.
Okay. Can you say Alan? Let me show you how mad people behave.
Hey! What is it? What is it? Leave my child alone. Leave my child alone. What is it?
Listen to me, all of you. This whole compound belongs to me. Because I'm the only son of my late father. So everything here is mine.
Look at you. Only son indeed. The first son talking rubbish.
Time at you and can if I get on a call. I'll get on a call. No pay money also, and then not chickens. You know, not to buy. Okay, well, he will take everything because he's the only son.
Give my Quenesia, eh? One man, I go. Quenesia, we'll see. You don't have to respond to these witches. You don't have to talk to them.
Exactly, my dear.
Let's go inside.
The sun did not allow my tomato to yield. Eh? Can you imagine? Hey, all of them.
It's okay. Very soon.
I'll have to pluck it like that too. I'll put it in this way. Tell me what I'm going to do.
Go home.
Gini can one most one remember? Almost which?
See. Mama.
Please continue with what you are doing.
I'm telling you.
Mama!
It's someone's voice.
Mama, sister!
Hey!
Arueme!
What is it?
Do you know that Oma, Ikena, and their mother is in our farmland farming?
What?
Ooh.
Hey! Wait. Isioma, are you sure of what you're saying?
Mama, I am very sure. I'm talking to you people now. They are there. Farming!
Hey! What do you suggest we do? Mami, can I judge you? Let's go.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Hey! Hey!
Just look at this white car. They're coming to fight. Don't come in. You are not shameless. You are shameless. Use that knife. Use that knife. If she comes, use that knife. Kill her with that knife. Kill her.
Where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're going? This is a knife. Come and collect it. Let me see. If I don't use it, I'll open your stomach. I'm going to hit you.
You want to try it? 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 I will use this basket on you. I will use this basket on you. I will use this basket. This land belongs to my son. It belongs to my son. You can't do anything. You can't do anything. Try me.
This I hear you. More. Come near me with that stick. I said you should come near me. If I don't open your stomach this time, what am I name at this? You know me, you know what I can do. I'm warning you. Amama. Are you serious? I swear by the gods of this land.
Yeah.
If you see the way Adama turned the prince down, and I was just by the corner eyeing him. The prince didn't even notice me at all.
Too bad.
He just looked at me and walked past me.
Hey.
I felt so embarrassed.
Hey, too bad. Buto. Oh, Name, you just have to take it easy. Happy prince, I can leave him alone. Which one is love or son? Which one is love again, my sister?
Hey. Here. Oh, what do you mean you don't understand what love means? I love the prince.
Hey.
I love him so much.
Hey, love one thing.
That which Adama does not deserve him. Wish the prince would give me even a tiny opportunity. Just a little opportunity to spoil him with so much love and care. I swear I will surprise him.
Hey! Oranra, you better stop dreaming. Come, let's go.
See, let me tell you, we need to teach that dirty pig a lesson.
Exactly.
We need to teach her a lesson in this village. What kind of nonsense is this? Imagine, Prince living fine maidens like us.
Imagine.
Everything in this village.
Look at it now.
Imagine. What is Prince waiting for now?
Ole, don't look at me now. Just look at me. Why would the prince leave me for that witch Adama? That beast, that wicked girl.
Let's go.
No, just happy.
Personally. Kaiga, don't worry, let's go. Imagine. Imagine that dirty girl.
Imagine that dirty witch.
Hey.
I'm not happy. I'm not happy.
Greetings, Mary.
Greetings, my friends. Greetings, my friend.
How are you doing?
We are fine.
Your sister Doma, how is she?
She's fine. Sorry, my friends. There is something I would like to discuss with you. It's very important.
I hope there is no problem.
No, not at all.
Well, as you can see, I'm on my way out. Maybe you come later in the palace so we'll discuss it.
Okay. I'll come.
You will come.
It's okay.
Thank you, my friend. And please, take care of yourself.
Okay.
Good day, my friend. Bye, my friends.
Well, I don't know why you don't want to sit down.
Next time I'll sit down.
Since you say it's very important. Go ahead, I'm listening.
Actually, my friends, I like you. No. I love you. Yes. You see, Adama does not deserve you. Imagine the way she maltreats you. Prince, I'm a good woman. And I can take care of you. I promise to make a good family with you. Only if you will trust me. My prince, you're not talking. My prince, you're not saying anything. Please talk to me. You're not talking. I promise to be nice to you. I'm going to take care of you. Please talk to me.
Get out.
Huh?
Get out!
What is his problem? What is wrong with the prince? Why won't he look at me at all? Akweke, am I not beautiful?
You are beautiful.
Oledo, am I not presentable? Then what is wrong with him? I don't understand him at all. I don't.
Huh? It's okay. See, I understand how you feel. But you know, men, they can't know the value of gold until they lose it. And that is why I'm telling you to know why you take it easy. Let me tell you, you see, Prince is yours.
Oh, I wish.
Oledo is very right. Just calm down. Akweke, I strongly believe that the prince will give you a listening ear one day. Or do you want to give up?
Me, Oma, give up. The gods forbid. In fact, I am warning me, I don't know.
Hey! You see that stupid, dirty girl like that, man? She don't know Ledo in this village. She don't know what I'm capable of doing to her. Trust me, your friend. I will deal with her personally.
I trust my friends.
I trust my friends.
You got a quiet now, Kweba.
Now, sorry, now morning. Mama, this food is delicious. I'm telling you. Hi.
Mama, how was market today?
Fine, my daughter.
What is your problem?
Yes, Mama.
Huh? Is it because of what they're doing? I know you are because you are looking at them. You can't control your truth. You ate your own yesterday. Even if I don't have anything to give you today, don't lose hope. Yeah? Our own is coming. Very soon, suitors will be coming for your sister. Look at her. My own egg. Don't get angry. Look at your mother.
We have tried it. Please tell him to bring another one for us tomorrow, eh?
Yes, so Mama.
Look at this girl. Imagine your sister.
Mama, do you know that there's some people that have not tested this kind of food before?
Yes, of course. That is why they are sitting there looking at us like hungry ducks.
It is yam. We will have our own yam.
They don't look at them. If I see you stick out your tongue again, I'll pull it out myself. What is wrong with you? So if I'm not at home, we would have gone to bed then. No. Other digide. Tomorrow we can have our own.
Mama, let's give them small.
What? You know how? I'm almost going to be.
Come and take a bite.
It's just yam.
Mama.
It is yam. Don't do anything, my daughter. I don't want anybody to injure your face.
But Mama, why won't you permit me to deal with these fools? This insult is getting too much now. Eh?
You are a prepared egg. Egg, you are aqua cable. So don't go fighting anybody.
Mama, allow her. Allow her.
I know.
This is getting too much.
I know you want me to allow them.
Mama told you. Just a little chance. Let me beat that idiot up.
Come. Put your head. It's okay. Faga hapo safari mona.
I must find out that idiot that is after my love, Adama. And if I do, you will not go scot-free. You won't go scot-free.
If I tell you, I don't really know what's wrong with my sister. I don't know. She just rejected the prince just like that.
My dear, talk to your sister. Hi, talk to her very well. Or you don't want your sister to be in this kingdom.
Don't even say it. Eh? I want to be caught. Diok Maroko for agafe go. Ewo.
Isioma, am I the one you just called your rough?
Oh no, not you. It's your head. Or is there any other man around here?
Ask him.
Eh? Diok Maroko. What have you achieved? What do you know how to do is to eat in the morning, afternoon, night. Walk around the village like a useless man you are. You ain't sick. What will you do? Damn! Ah! You slapped me! Go! You didn't know you slapped me!
Next time you try this, yeah? I will deal with you drastically.
I'll say my mother. I'll say my mother. You did not slap me. Sorry. If you see you're following men now, you cannot fight. Sorry. Stop crying. Sorry. Leave me alone.
It's okay. Oh.
If you see you're following men, you cannot do anything. Useless boy.
It's okay. Sorry.
Oh.
It's okay, my friend. It's okay, Choma. It's okay. Stop crying now.
I want to go and tell my mother. You can now see.
What is it? Why are you looking like this? What happened to you? Who slapped you?
Mama, as I was coming back, I saw Isioma and her friend. I didn't talk to her, and she called me Dobrog.
Ha! Mama, did you hear that? Isioma called my own brother, Diobara Okoko. Biaikena. Did you keep her quiet?
I slapped her immediately. Thank God. That settled the matter. Because I was waiting to hear what you did in return to them. Since you slapped her and beat her up, it's okay. Go in and take your food.
Okay, Mama.
I don't blame them. Yeah, go and give him food because
Mama used to come and eat. Let me get that in stomach first.
Ikenna, you slapped my daughter because I don't have a male child, right? You will never go scot-free this time. Ikenna, wait for me. We shall see. Ikenna, we shall see.
Good day, my prince.
Greetings, beautiful maidens.
My prince, why are you here alone? Where is your personal guard? What are you even doing here?
I am waiting for you.
You're waiting for me. So, how did you know I was at this train?
So how are you doing, beautiful maiden?
I'm fine, my prince.
Yes, it is obvious you are heading to this trip.
Yes, my prince.
I see. How is your friend?
My friend? You mean Oma?
Oma.
Oma is fine.
I want you to do me a favor. Bring her to me. I'll wait right here. And don't let her know.
Okay, my prince. I was actually on my way to her house, so we both go to the stream together. I will do just that, my prince.
That's nice. It will be easy for you to bring her to me then. Go ahead.
My prince, I would advise if you wait on the road that leads to the stream.
Okay.
Yeah.
No problem.
Okay, sir.
But please, don't tell her.
You can trust me on that, my prince. Have a good day, my prince.
What? So, my prince, what can I do for you?
I want to see you later today.
Okay. Where?
Do you know you're beautiful? Now I understand the value of gold.
How do you mean, my prince?
You know, before now I was blind. But right now I can see. I can see more than everyone in this kingdom.
Really? Sir, my prince, what do you see?
I see your beautiful face. And that's why I want you to be my queen.
You see, this means a lot to me. That's why I asked my dad to wait over there.
Oh, okay. I was wondering why your dad was not with you.
Because I want the quiet time with you. Please, be my queen.
I will.
Oma, my good friend.
Nemo.
I'm happy for you.
Now,
I am so happy for you. So finally, the gods of our community have favored you with that cute spring. I'm happy for you.
My dear, I'm happy for myself.
Hey.
You girls cannot imagine my happiness. I mean, who would have believed it?
Child, I'm happy for you.
I told you that dreams do come true.
Yes, you did, my dear.
So, I, Oma, will someday become the queen of this great kingdom. What a dream come true!
Oma, I'm so happy for you.
Thank you, my sister. Thank you.
Oma, don't forget also when you are crowned the queen of this land.
What are you talking about?
Hey, it is true. In fact, I wanted to tell you this. You can forget Akweke, eh? And, take me along with you as your best friend.
Even
What
are
are
you
trying to say?
What are you girls talking about?
I don't understand. Are we not friends?
Oh, come off it, girls. Listen, you girls are my sisters. You're more than friends. So wherever I will be, there you girls will be.
Are you serious?
Oh, yes, I'm serious.
What
would I do without you girls?
I will always put on my best
Hey,
dress. That reminds me. I want you to tell me the kind of clothes you'll be putting on your traditional marriage. The kind of makeup, the kind of beads. And tell me how you're going to look beautiful for your friends.
My sisters, you know how royalty dresses. That is exactly how we're going to be dressed.
Are you serious?
Oh, yes. I don't have any other sisters now. I can't be wearing a queen like a dress and you girls.
Adam, you left me for nothing.
didn't do anything to you. I didn't do anything wrong to you. But you left me. I curse you. I curse you. It shall never be well with you. You will never find love in your life. You will meet men who will pretend to love you, but they will dump you. You will never find peace. You will never find peace. You will never find peace. You will never.
Ikenna, wherever you are now, you will never return. Death will be your portion. Now go. Go and kill Ikenna for me. Go! 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 Ikenna, you will die.
What is it now? Can you fall? Mama. Who beat you up? What?
Mama Ikenna is dead.
Who's Ikenna? Give me.
Mama Ikenna, my brother is dead, Mama.
My son! Kenny! Ikenna, come on, please, come on.
Mama.
He wants to inherit our father's property.
Okay, let's go. Yes.
We'll be phone over.
Hey! Nam! Hey! I'll give him a one. Nam! Nam! What happened to you? What happened to you? What happened to you? Hey! What is this? Open your eyes. Your mother is here, Ona. I'm here because what? Have mercy on your mother. Have mercy on your mother, please. Open your eyes. Okay. Who did this to you? Shima Guamo! Hey! Oh, God. You lost my life. Your mother is here. Your mother is here. Where am I? Hey! I can see. What is this? What is this? Somebody should help me. Hi. Ayo.
I told you. I promise to make life unbearable for you in this community. Isn't it? Didn't I? You people want to tell me in this community, eh? There is no problem. We shall see. Cut you. You have not seen anything. This is just the beginning for you.
Happy. You see, this is me. I'm the first son of this house. This compound belongs to me. He should come out and take it. You see.
Are you happy? Are you fulfilled now that you have killed my brother? Don't go whining and dining gloriously. Because I know the gods of this land will make you pay for your sins. You will suffer.
It's you and your mother, your wretched mother, that is going to suffer.
You will suffer!
You will suffer, suffer, and die. Look at them. Dal, witches. You are suffering already.
Yes, sir.
No. He should come out from the grave and inherit this compound.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, he's the man of the house. He should come and inherit it from the grave.
Why am I?
Hey, they don't even know how to cry.
No.
I thought they would be shouting.
Gods of this land, you will avenge the death of my son.
He said,
and as long as the gods of this land live, Ned,
You and your children will suffer for the rest of your life.
He said, Mama, are you allowing her to lay curses on us? It will not happen. It's you that will suffer. You will suffer. You will suffer. You're already suffering. Right. You're already suffering. You're already suffering. You're suffering already. This is just the beginning. Look at this one. She's suffering already. You want to lay curses on yourself.
Ekema, understand me. I have come to love you. I want to make you the mother of my unborn children. I want to marry you and take you to my kingdom.
My prince, how can you be saying this? Adama is my best friend. I don't want to betray her. She's my friend.
I know she's your friend, equally your best friend. But you can testify that she does not have a good character. A lot is required from the wife of a prince, and she is not qualified.
Okay. What do you want from me? What do you want from me?
Will you marry me?
Mama, are you serious? No, wait. Are you for real? No. You must be joking. Joking.
Ne, if you see the way Adama was crying, even you will pity her.
But why will Ekema betray her friend? This is very bad. In her place, the highest one.
Betrayal. Betrayal. No! Ekema did not betray her friend.
How?
It was the prince that went for her. More so, I see the hands of the gods.
The hands of the gods?
Yes, and you cannot control it.
Hand of the gods. For me, Ekema must be very, very careful. Very careful. Because I don't trust that girl. That girl, she's very, very evil. I don't trust even her one step. Eh? Hey! So what do you know?
Eh? Adama and her mother killed my only brother. I know one day they will pay for their sins.
Yes, so they will pay for their sins. Say they must surely pay. They won't go scot-free. For what? Hey. Hey.
Son, I want us to rub minds like father and son. Son, you are a full-grown man. You are no longer a kid. I want you to get married to make my spirit have a rest.
Father, I understand you, but I beg you to please give me some time. I promise you I will get married and I will make you proud.
When? Son, when? When will that be? We don't have that time. There is no time. Time waits for nobody. Son, look, I am begging you. Get married and make me proud. Everybody is in the lookout for your marriage.
All right, I will do so. Thank you for your understanding, Father.
That's my son. Thank you for your understanding too. I'm proud of you.
Greetings, my prince.
Greetings. What are you doing here?
My prince, I came to see you.
You came to see me? What for? I hope no problem.
My prince, I came to ask for your forgiveness. Please. Please forgive me. I want you to accept me back. Please, my prince. I need you in my life.
You need me? I don't think so. Because when I came asking you out, you turned me down. So how come you need me in your life?
It's not like I turned you down. It's just that I'm a woman. I'm just doing small yanga. I'm going to know if you truly love me. But my prince, you didn't waste time. You transferred all the love to my younger sister, Oma. My prince, Oma is not your type. Oma is a witch.
Keep quiet! And remain silent. Oma is the woman for me, whether you like it or not. Ojuku!
Prince.
Take this maiden out of this palace at once.
Prince, you can't do that to me, because I love you. Prince, please, I love you so much. Prince, please, I love you. I don't do this to you. Please, my prince. My prince. My prince, Oma is a witch. She will kill you. Please, I'm the right woman for you. Okay, my prince, please. Listen to me and listen very good. Thank the gods I met you here. I want you to cancel the relationship you have with Prince Abaranze.
Cause we're not gonna. Adama, what are you talking about?
Yeah, you don't know what I'm talking about, right? Prince Abalanze is mine. I don't want you to talk to him in this community again. Am I understood?
Don't you dare. Don't you ever dare threaten me. Do you understand? And as for Prince Abalanze, he's already mine. And there is nothing you can do about it. Don't you ever raise your hands at me again. Do you understand? The next time you do that, I will beat you to death. And as you can see, I am going to meet my prince. You can stand here and watch if you care.
Adama, you're not going anywhere. Adama, the prince is mine. Adama, I'm not going anywhere. Adama, the prince is mine. I'm going to beat you. I will not allow you. Adama, I will beat you. You're not going anywhere. Adama, I will beat you. Prince is mine. Adama. Yes. Adama. He is mine. Adama, I'm warning you. He is mine. Come on, take it.
Yes. Something is really bothering me in this palace. Something is giving me a sleepless night.
Neka, what is it?
Good question. Do you see that chief maiden? What is her problem? What is her problem? No, it's becoming too much. I don't like the way she's treating us in this palace. What's her ego?
Wait, Neka. Is that the only thing disturbing you? The other day, I saw her punishing Mamba and Ujunwa.
Papa, you called me. Yes, Uju. I wish I'm the chief maiden. I would have treated you people well. At least you people could have enjoyed me very well. Yes. Forget about that girl that calls herself chief maid. Every time she brags, command here, go here, come here, go there.
I hate her girls. Not for my sister. You see, every day, I wish we are the chief maiden. You know, could have enjoyed this palace. Yes. See, feel good. Not this one that call herself. What is she called?
Ujunwa. Mwakba. So, you maidens are here, gossiping about me, when you have works to do. Eh? What did you say? If you are the chief maiden, you do this, you do that. Today, I will show you how a chief maiden behaves. Let's wait for you. Kneel down. I said kneel down now. The other day was the prince. Today now is me. I understand you're getting to me. Open your hand. I said open your hand. Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Next time, when you have works to do, concentrate on your works. Open your hand. Open it. Open it now. You open your hand. Open your hand. You should charm your ear. Shut up your mouth. I never wanted to listen. She started this. You have killed me. You should charm your ear. Open your hand. Shut up your mouth. Rubbish. Just look at them. Before I open my eyes, now you maidens should go back to your duty post. Just look at them. Rubbish. Nonsense.
Hey! Ola, are you for real?
I'm just telling
See that chief maiden? She won't even dare that with me. She won't try me, because I will show her my true colors. Wait. Ola, you mean she punished Uju? Was she having saliva in her mouth when she said that?
Leave her. She's deaf.
You see, I said it. Her own is too much. It's getting out of hand. Chief maiden.
In this palace.
I'm going back to my Twitter.
My friends.
What are you doing here? What brought you to the palace?
My prince. My prince. My prince, I took my time to prepare your favorite meal. So here, your favorite.
I can't remember telling you that I was hungry. Listen, let this be the last time you bring yourself to this palace. Ojuku.
Yes, my prince.
I don't want to see this maiden in this palace again.
My food.
Throw her out.
Noted, my prince.
Clean this place.
Son, you demanded that we see.
Yes, Father.
I hope all is well.
Father, all is well. Father, I have seen a maiden I would like to get married to.
This is great. Wonderful. This is good news. Oh, great. Son, it is a good news indeed. So when are you bringing her to the palace?
In 4 market days.
4 market days? Well, son, I'm so grateful. I'm so happy with you now.
I know.
And for this, son, it is going to be well with you. It shall be well with you. You will go out and come in safely under the
Sister, you're still crying. If you cry from now till tomorrow, nothing will change. I believe that's the will of the gods. Please.
Why me? Why is everything about my life always negative? What is happening to me? What is happening to me?
No, it's not like that. You're a beautiful young maiden. Your own husband will come. A husband that will love and cherish you. Because stop crying.
Are you sure?
Yes. Stop. Let's go inside, please. Stop crying. Oh, sorry. Mr. Biko. Sorry. Stop crying.
Stop. No worry, let me stop. I'll join you inside later.
I won't leave you.
What am I going to do now? Okay, I know what to do. I am going to apologize to Oma and ask her for forgiveness. How I wish she can forgive me so that my husband will come. Yes, this is what I will do. This is what I will do.
Why, Ma? Why, Ma?
Oh, yeah. What's that?
Oh, no. Hey.
What are you people doing here?
Why, Ma? Please. Oma.
Please, Wayima. Oma, if we should forgive us. We know we have sinned against you people. Please, look for a way in your heart to forgive us. Please.
You killed him. You people killed my only brother. What are your benefits for killing my brother? What did we ever do to you people? What?
Oma, please. Mama, please. Find a place in your heart to forgive us. Kayama Romame, please. Let us live like one good family again. Please. So that, Mama, please. So that our late father will be happy wherever he is. Please find a place in your heart to forgive us, please.
We are sorry.
Mama, Bikonu.
What did we do wrong? They killed my son. The only heir to this family. The only man in this family. You people killed him. Now you want us to live as one family.
Mama, find a place in your heart.
My daughter, no. Mama Lecha, what happened? What happened? Eh? What is it? Eh, Mom? Nadi,
What is happening?